This is how to factory reset, hard reset, clean, and wipe the T-Mobile REVVL 6 Pro 5G. Let's get into it. We're going to hold the power and volume up at the same time. We are going to feel a vibration, but we're going to keep holding until the message comes up. All right, so very important here is that we are only going to use the volume keys. We're going to use volume up to select, and we're going to go to recovery mode. And then we're not going to push power. We're going to choose volume down for OK. All right, and here it might take, depending on your device and how much data is on it, it might take a few seconds, 10, 15 seconds, or it might take a minute or two. I'm going to push pause. Nope, I don't have to. There we go. All right, so the Android comes up, and now we're going to do the quick touch, hold power, quick touch volume up. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, hold power, quick touch, volume up. All right, now we have the recovery menu, and we're going to go to wipe data, factory reset. Now we're going to use power for OK. We're going to confirm factory data reset with the volume and power for OK. And as always, we can verify that the data wipe has been completed. And now we can reboot the system. And that's how you hard reset, factory reset, clean and wipe your T-Mobile REVVL 6 Pro 5G. Thanks for watching. Please like, please subscribe.